on auto or hand.
Right.
You go to hand. I'm going to push the ram all the way down to here. Now you're going to come in here. You're going to see the ram. You want the ram to go right up to that black line. You see it?
Yeah.
Then there's channels in the ram.
Okay.
Now you shut it off because you don't want to cut your hand in here. So hit the E-stop button. Now these things right here, you're going to take 2 of them off. 2 at a time. They slide through the channel here. There's a channel right here.
Okay.
And then slide it out to the other side. More channels. See that? This one goes to channel 3. Okay, everything's done over here. Now we're going to go on the other side. There's wires that are already sent through here that are right here.
Right.
So we have a little mechanism here we made. This just holds all the wires together.
Okay.
Like that. Now you take the top one here that we sent through, and it goes through the top wires here. You want to tighten it as tight as you could. This is all I do. Bend it like this. As long as you get it around tight.
Okay.
Right there. What this is doing right now is tying up this baler. Now all the wire goes with it's over there in those boxes. You're
Right.
gonna need them.
And how does this machine work?
It was phenomenal.